As the argument in the defamation case filed by Union Minister for Road Transport, Highways and Shipping, Nitin Gadkari, against AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal is on, a Patiala House Court has decided to frame a notice in the case by 1 p.m. this afternoon. Counsel for Nitin Gadkari, Pinky Anand, said that after hearing the argument, the court decided to proceed further in the case and the matter was argued on framing the charges. Kejriwal, while campaigning for Lok Sabha elections, had released a list calling Gadkari a corruption politician, which is defamatory and scandalous.
In that view of the matter, the learned court suggested that the matter could be possibly settled, but Mr. Kejriwal, when asked, refused to withdraw the allegations. Mr. Nitin Gadkari only made one statement: I do not want necessarily an apology to be made. I do not want to embarrass Mr. Kejriwal by asking for a formal apology, but he has made these statements. They have hurt me. They have tarnished my reputation. Therefore, he has to withdraw the allegations. If he withdraws them, I will not go further. If he does not, I will pursue the case to its logical conclusion and show how these statements have hurt my reputation and prove it in a court of trial right up to the Supreme Court. At that point, the court proceeded further with the issue. Matter was argued on framing of notice on the fact that Mr. Kejriwal's statements, firstly including Mr. Nitin Gadkari's name in a list of corrupt politicians and calling him corrupt, is defamatory and scandalous. And secondly, the statement made by Mr. Kejriwal intentionally and deliberately that some land had been got allotted by Mr. Nitin Gadkari. Both these issues were discussed, argued, and we presented to the court that the necessary ingredients of 499 IPC have been made out. We also pointed out to the court that the summoning order of 28th February 2014 clearly held out that a prima facie case had been made out against Mr. Kejriwal. After hearing, the court was pleased to reserve the matter for framing of notice at 1 o'clock. Mr. Kejriwal's lawyers asked for exemption for him to say that he should be able to go away at 1 o'clock. The court said no, his presence is required and he has to sign the notice. Therefore, he has to be present in court at 1 o'clock.
The AAP chief accused the Union Minister of land allotment. The case was argued and the provisions have been made under Section 499 of the Indian Penal Code. The court has reserved the matter till 1 p.m. for framing of notice on the matter.
Powered by NNIS.